So, our lights just went out, and walking down the stairway here, I swear I feel like I'm in a horror movie. Oh, your boy feel like he in a horror movie right now because our lights just went out over at the apartment complex because it's storming down here. So I'm walking down the stairway, going to get me some coffee. It's crazy, but anyhow, that's what's going on right now over here. Let's see if the lights are out over here in the storage in the lounge. Oh, look at that light. Oh, darkness. What light. Cool. So this is the lounge area. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like coming down here and looking at TV, watching a game or something like that. Oh, but check this out. This is where I come and do my work though. And so right here's our demo kitchen. Come down here all the time and do my work and get it done. That's where all the magic happens. It's pretty cool. Coming soon, we're going to do a pop-up restaurant. It's going to be in this area here. As you can see, they have seating areas and stuff like that. And so I'm going to end up doing my thing in here, so it's going to be pretty cool. And it's coming near. When you do, y'all get y'all tickets, all right? Because it's going to be real nice. Let's see what else. Oh, coffee. And then so this is a little fancy coffee machine here. It's pretty cool. I press this little coffee thing, and I just put. You know, I want no hot coffee. I think I'm gonna do some cold coffee. So we get here. They got this like cold coffee brewer thing. It's pretty cool. It's my thing right here. I drink this definitely on a long day's work. I come down here and I get my cold brew, and I fill this baby up with some cream. Fill the baby up with some cream, and I do it and I drink it, man. It gives me a lot of energy, and that's how I'm able to work 30 hours straight, you know, non-stop. So start this up. Anyways, Chef David Young, Uncut, Raw. Love y'all. Bye.